Hey y'all, come on in, pull up a sit down, sit a spell. Well, back at it again tonight. Went out to see what we could see. Take a look at what I found. Couple interesting things. Take a look.
First light, I packed my gear with the scent of pine. I hold what's dear. The mountains call with their silent mind. In the heart of nature, I'll spend my night. Whispers of the wild echo in my ear, guiding me forward where there's nothing to fear. With every breath I feel so alive. In the whispers of the wild I thrive. Through rivers wide, valleys deep, I walk the trails where the shadows creep. The tracks are fresh and the air is clear. In the arms of nature,